Why Fujinon Mariner 7x50 WPC-XL binoculars float above the competition. Literally. Ever felt stuck mid-journey, squinting through fogged-up lenses or fumbling overpriced gear that sinks faster than your motivation? We've all been there, on the deck, frustrated, overwhelmed, and questioning why your so-called marine binoculars couldn't handle basic weather shifts or a simple splash. Wasting precious minutes wiping lenses or recalibrating your view steals the joy of every boating trip. Those cheap, unreliable optics promise clarity, but deliver blurry headaches. If your tools block your focus instead of sharpening it, you're not just lost at sea, you're lost in disappointment. Now imagine this. You're chasing a sunset, only for your waterproof binoculars to fog up again. Stress creeps in as your gear drags you down, both figuratively and literally, because once dropped, they sink. You're losing moments, missing views, and letting overpriced equipment ruin your voyage. It's not just frustration anymore, it's burnout in marine form. Every glance through poor optics is a reminder of wasted money, wasted time, and wasted adventures. Why settle for mediocrity when every trip feels like a missed opportunity waiting to happen? Meet the Fujifilm Fujinon Mariner 7x50 WPC-XL binoculars. Your rescue from gear nightmares. Lightweight, 100% waterproof, fog-proof, and yes, designed to float. That's right. Drop them overboard, and your binoculars won't ghost you. With fully multi-coated Fujinon optics, a built-in LED-lit compass, and extra-long 18mm eye relief, they're perfect even for glasses wearers. This isn't just equipment, it's a trustworthy adventure companion. Whether you're boating, sailing, or navigating coastal waters, these binoculars transform frustration into confidence. Crystal clear visuals meet bulletproof design, your days of blurry vision and sunken gear are officially over. Packed with durability and precision, the Fujinon Mariner 7x50 WPC-XL is your shortcut to sharper horizons. You'll enjoy wide fields of view, effortless night navigation with LED compass lighting, and a neck strap that ensures it stays afloat if disaster strikes. Say goodbye to bulky, complicated gear. This is marine navigation simplified, razor-sharp focus, minimal weight, and all-weather reliability that keeps your eyes locked on the prize. Ready to upgrade your voyage? Dive into the specs in today's video and discover why these binoculars outshine the heavy hitters. Stop battling fog and frustration. Act now and claim your Fujinon Mariner 7x50 WPC-XL before they're gone. Thousands of boaters, anglers, and explorers swear by these floating legends. Limited stock means you risk being left adrift with second-rate gear. Don't wait. Buy today, float tomorrow. Let your next adventure be crisp, clear, and fully under control. Join the winning crew, because legends don't sink.